Hi guys, I wanted to show you a little video on what you're doing today. So you're on Modules for Science. Week 2 is where I'm going to click. I'm going to scroll down to today, Thursday. It says watch this video that you will explain to you what to complete. That's what I'm doing now, so you'll see that here. And then go to STEM Scopes to complete assignments. Now we haven't been to STEM Scopes in a while, so I wanted to go through that and what that looks like. So on your class link is where you'll open up. And I'm going to come up here to the search bar so it's easier and type in STEM Scopes and click enter. Yours will look a little different. This is the teacher side, but let's just say I'm looking in my homeroom. I'm going to click on Aurelia's. Now, these are 4 assignments that I've assigned to you, so this is today and tomorrow that you should be completing these. So once that happens, it'll show you what assignments you have, and you just click on that assignment and it'll open. Again, mine looks different than yours because mine's the teacher view. But this is a matching game assignment. Then you have a short answer, a video to complete. So they're not super, they shouldn't take super long to complete, but it's all over that celestial bodies that we've been talking about, planets, asteroids, meteors, and all of that jazz. So let me know if you're having trouble getting to this, and I can help as best I can. But I'm hoping that you enjoy doing a couple of the games that I have planned out for you and the videos. They show a lot of the information that you need to know. And have a good day.